Today I want to share with you an ancient secret that boosts your health. You can't even imagine how much. Fermented garlic, besides being delicious as a seasoning, as part of your meal, is an excellent ally for your health. It's a superfood and a probiotic. It strengthens the immune system, improves the digestive system, and will fill you with vitality and energy. And today I want to share with you my unique recipe for this exquisite fermented garlic. And the best part is that with this process, we can eat garlic like this and we won't have bad breath. Fermenting garlic activates and multiplies unique bioactive compounds. It's akin to a natural lab, producing an exceptionally beneficial probiotic food. This garlic not only doesn't leave you with bad breath, but it's also a gem for your gut and overall health. For this recipe, we're going to use 2 heads of garlic and we'll put them in a little jar, a 200 milliliter jar. With 2 heads, so we fill up the little jar. This is a sprig of rosemary. Previously I chilled it, I left it for 5 minutes with a little splash of water and a little splash of vinegar. Now with this, we're going to estimate what half a teaspoon is. It's more or less like this, but we're going to measure everything with the wooden spoon. So that's half a tablespoon. That's it. These are mustard seeds. Now we're going to add peppercorns. We're going to add 1 and 3 cloves, half a teaspoon of sea salt. We're going to add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika or a little less. This is to taste, half a tablespoon of honey. This is apple cider vinegar. We're going to add a generous tablespoon. We're going to add 2 thin slices of ginger. And we're going to cut a little bit of skin of lemon. We finish with the garlic cloves. A little bit of lemon juice, just a splash. We're going to add filtered water. And we're going to close it very well. This is going to go like this. We're going to shake it a little and keep it in a cool, dark and dry place for a month, shaking it every 2 or 3 days. What we're going to do is open it so it can release the gases. And then we close it again, making sure it's sealed really well. After a month, it's ready to eat. Fermentation not only changes the flavor and texture of the garlic, but it also enhances its benefits in an impressive way. Fermentation introduces healthy bacteria that colonize your digestive system. This improves your gut flora, which is essential for optimal digestion, better absorption of nutrients, and a strong immune system. Strong. It's a living food for your gut, increasing the bioavailability of nutrients. The microorganisms from fermentation break down complex components in garlic, making its nutrients and active compounds easier for your body to absorb. This includes vitamins, minerals, and the famous sulfur compounds. It enhances allicin and transforms it. Allicin is the most well-known compound in raw garlic, responsible for its smell and many benefits. It is volatile, but during fermentation it transforms into other sulfur compounds. Stable and highly beneficial, such as S-allylcysteine, S-allylcysteine, and S-allylmercaptocysteine, S-allylmercaptocysteine, with powerful actions that are not found in raw garlic with the same concentration and stability. It strengthens the immune system thanks to probiotics and sulfur compounds. Fermented garlic is a great ally. By boosting your defense system, it helps modulate the immune response and makes you more resistant to possible infections. It is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Studies suggest that regular consumption of fermented garlic contributes to heart health. It can help regulate blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. This way, it reduces cardiovascular risk. It has antimicrobial and anti-cancer properties. It maintains the antimicrobial properties of raw garlic but with greater stability. The components of S-allylcysteine, as I mentioned earlier, have been the subject of research in the prevention of certain types of cancer. This is important because it inhibits the growth of malignant cells. Precautions and important considerations. Some people may experience slight bloating or gas at first when they start consuming fermented garlic. If this happens, what you need to do is lower the dose. Start with a little and gradually increase it according to your own preference. And also, when introducing a new food, people who have a very weakened or compromised immune system, for example, people undergoing chemotherapy, well, they should consult their doctor before consuming it. It's essential to use super clean jars and utensils for storing, and when you're checking on it, it can be strong at first. The smell of garlic is normal, but if you notice any unpleasant or rotten odor, well, you need to discard it. And if you're looking for more natural ways to transform your health, especially for your digestive system and some other conditions, I invite you to watch my video about aloe. There I share how aloe can heal irritable bowel syndrome. Problems like gastritis, gastric ulcers, constipation, wounds, and burns. I'll leave it here so you can go watch it directly by clicking. What did you think about the fermented garlic and all this information I shared with you? I'd like you to leave me a comment here and let me know. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with anyone who might find this information helpful.